Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Zeek Network Security Monitoring tool on Ubuntu 22.04. First, update your system. Next, download the Zeek GPG key. Zeek is not in the default Ubuntu repositories, so you need to add the official Zeek repository. Then, update the repository index and install Zeek using the following command. During the installation, you will be asked to select your mail server. Select local only and press the Enter key. You will be asked to provide your mail server hostname. Once Zeek is installed, add Zeek's path to the bash.rc file. Next, reload the bash.rc file using the following command. Next, verify the Zeek version using the following command. Now, you can edit Zeek's default configuration file using the Nano editor. Add your internal network. Then, edit the Zeek node configuration file. Edit the following lines. Then, add the following configurations. Save and close the file. Next, apply the configurations using the following command. You will see the following output. You can check Zeek's status using the following command. Now, run the following command to see Zeek log files. You will see the following output. Next, verify the Zeek cluster log file using the following command. To check the Zeek connection status, run the following command. And, to stop Zeek, run the following command.